Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today we've got something exciting to talk about, the 2026 Toyota Corolla. Toyota has been one of the most consistent names in the compact sedan segment, and the Corolla, as many of you know, is one of the most popular cars in the world. But with competition heating up and consumers expecting more than just reliability, Toyota has taken some serious steps forward with this latest model. So let's dive right into it and see what the 2026 Corolla is really all about. Let's start by just taking a look at it. Right off the bat, you'll notice the 2026 Corolla has undergone some thoughtful design changes. The front fascia is sharper, more sculpted, with a new grille that balances a sporty and refined look. The headlights are slimmer and more angular. Now, using Toyota's latest adaptive LED tech that not only looks great, but improves night driving visibility. There are subtle creases along the hood that give the front end a more aggressive stance without overdoing it. Definitely a nice evolution from previous years. Moving along the side, you can really appreciate how the body lines sweep back smoothly. Toyota's gone for a more aerodynamic silhouette here. And while it's still unmistakably a Corolla, it now has a bit of a lift in visual sophistication. The 18-inch alloy wheels on the XSE trim we're reviewing today add a nice premium touch. The wheel arches are modestly flared but sculpted just enough to add character. There's a subtle chrome strip along the window line, and the side mirrors are now body-colored with integrated turn signals. Small details, but they matter. Coming. Around to the back, you can see how the design flows cohesively. The taillights are sleeker this time and wrap around the rear in a very fluid, modern way. There's a new rear bumper design, two more angular and a little more aggressive. On higher trims like this one, you also get a discreet lip spoiler and a dual-tip exhaust setup that subtly hints at performance without being loud or obnoxious. Honestly, from any angle, the 2026 Corolla looks more mature, more grown-up, and much more in line with what buyers expect in this competitive segment. Now, stepping inside is where Toyota's improvements really shine. The interior of the 2026 Corolla feels like a big step up. As soon as you sit down, the first thing you'll notice is the updated dashboard layout. It's clean, driver-focused, and uses a nice mix of soft-touch materials and textured accents. The new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you everything from navigation prompts to real-time fuel economy and safety alerts. It's sharp, vibrant, and genuinely useful. Then there's the center touchscreen, now a standard 10.5-inch unit across. Most trims running the latest Toyota audio multimedia system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice assistant integration, and it's noticeably faster and more intuitive than previous generations. There are also physical knobs for volume and tuning, which I personally love. Sometimes old school is just better. The seats are surprisingly comfortable, too. Toyota's made adjustments to both padding and bolstering, and on this XSE trim, they're wrapped in Softex with contrast stitching that adds to the upscale vibe. Rear seat passengers aren't forgotten either. There's decent legroom and headroom, even for taller adults. And yes, there's now rear air vents and USB-C charging ports, which were long overdue. Under the hood, Toyota offers a few options. The model we're testing here comes with the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 169 horsepower. It's mated to a CVT transmission that, while not thrilling, is smooth and efficient. For city commuters and daily drivers, this combo gets the job done without any drama. It's peppy enough for merging onto highways and stays quiet at cruising speeds. There's also a hybrid variant available for those prioritizing fuel economy. Expect over 50 miles per gallon combined in that version, which is hard to beat. Handling has seen incremental improvements too. The 2026 Corolla now comes with enhanced steering calibration and a slightly stiffer chassis, which translates to more confident cornering and less body roll than you might expect. It's not a sports sedan, but it's composed, it's responsive, and it doesn't feel floaty like some older models did. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, meaning every model now includes lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision with pedestrian detection, and more. It's one of the best safety packages in the class. Asterisk, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Corolla starts around $23,000 for the base lot trim and can climb up to about $30,000 for the fully loaded XSE or hybrid XLE. It's still one of the more affordable options in its segment, especially when you factor in Toyota's reputation for reliability and strong resale value. With inflation hitting most vehicle lineups, it's nice to see Toyota keeping this within a reasonable price range for young buyers, students, and families alike. Asterisk, if you're someone looking for a daily driver that's dependable, economical, and finally, a bit more exciting in terms of design and tech, the 2026 Corolla is hard to ignore. It's not going to blow you away in raw performance, but that's not the goal here. This car is about doing everything well: comfort, safety, efficiency, and now a little bit of style and fun to dot asterisk. So, would I recommend the 2026 Corolla? Absolutely. It's still one of the smartest buys out there in the compact sedan world. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a parent shopping for a teen, or just someone who wants a reliable and modern daily ride without breaking the bank, the Corolla continues to be a solid bet. Toyota's managed to add just enough flair and refinement to keep it fresh without losing the formula that's made it a global success. Asterisk, all right. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Corolla. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think of the new design. Would you pick this over something like a Civic or a Mazda 3? Don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and test drives every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.